Good evening, children. How are you all? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening.
Okay. Good evening, beta. Good evening, Chiranjay. Screen is visible, children.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, children, in last class, we have understood about, we have learned about what was the point? Point is dimensionless. It's a dot, right? Yes, beta.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
And then line. We came to line. What means children? Am I audible?
Yes,
Okay. What do you mean by line? Line is a perfectly straight, which can be extended in both the direction. It means we can increase its length by with our own only, right? And it has length only, right? It has no breadth, no thickness. Then come to a line has no end point. Thing just keep in your mind that a line has
not
no
clear.
end points, right? Children, I'm not audible. Speak, children. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what is the plane? What do you mean by the plane? The surface
I'm
of
a flat surface.
yes, flat surface basically. A plane has a length or breadth, but it has no thickness, right? Then properties of line and points. An unlimited number of lines can be drawn through a given point. Or an unlimited number instead of unlimited number, we can use infinitely many lines we can draw with a single point, right, beta? And
Yes.
then there is a exactly one line. There is a exactly one line passes through distinct points. Suppose if we are having two distinct points A and B, so there should be only one line which should pass A and B both, right? Then third is two different lines in a plane either intersect at exactly one point or are parallel. It means this is a plane whether either they can intersect at any point. Intersect means they will meet at one point or they can be parallel. Right, children?
Yes.
Now let's start. After this, line, not line segment, collinear points is there. Collinear. Yes, next is collinear points. So what do you mean by children collinear points? Will you please tell me? What is the meaning of collinear? See, collinear means three or more points. Three or more points in a plane are called collinear points. If and only if all of them lie on the same line. See here. So you need to check more than 3 points, right? See, this is a line AB and this is another line AB. Fine. So there is a point B, C is there, D is there. And here is no point. Suppose C is there. So see beta, this figure, this, where A, B, C, D, these 4 points lies on a one line now.
Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
me children. They are lying on one point. It means these points are collinear.
Collinear points.
Yes. But here C point is here. C point is lying here. So it means it is not collinear. Fine children. Now this is clear. What are collinear and what are non-collinear points?
Ma'am, I do not understand.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I did not understand.
Okay, see. Collinear points means when or more than 3 points will lie on the same line. See, as I have drawn line AB and the points C and D lie on the line AB now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And see next line which I have drawn AB. And here the C points is outside the line, right?
Yes,
It
ma'am.
is not situated on the line AB. So it means this is not collinear. Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Understood now?
Ma'am,
Okay. Please note
ma'am,
this
can
children.
you tell what you have? Ma'am, can you tell what you have written after collinear points?
Collinear points if and only if.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of collinear?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of collinear?
Collinear. COLLINEAR. Call, write the call, COL, then linear. Okay?
10.
Written, children? All have written? Chiranjay, Advay, Advik?
Yes, ma'am.
Chiranjay, okay. Chiranjay, today your voice is not coming. Okay, children, next is concurrent. Concurrent lines. See, what is it? Three or more lines in a plane. Three or more lines in a plane are called concurrent lines if and only if all of them all of them pass through the same point.
Ma'am?
Yes, beta. And this point is called point of concurrent.
Ma'am, is my voice coming?
Yes, now you are audible.
Ma'am, can I tell one point of culinary points?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can I tell one point of culinary points?
Culinear, you are asking.
Ma'am, culinary points.
Culinary. It is not culinary, culinear.
Ma'am, can I tell one
Both are the
point?
same. Culinarity. Yeah.
Ma'am, can I
Both
tell
are
one
the
more
same.
point?
Collinear point means the line in the same line. And concurrent lines is, see, number of lines, there will be more than three. Suppose this is your point. And from this point, you are drawing so many lines. This point is called concurrent point. And these lines are called concurrent lines. Fine, children?
Yes, ma'am.
And suppose, children, if you will observe lines like this, these lines are not concurrent. Fine, non-concurrent line. They should be passed from single point. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please note this. And draw the lines, or you can say figures, with the pencil and scale.
Ma'am, can I use a pencil to draw? I mean, this
Yes,
line.
yes. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am. I'm done.
All have written?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, when are we learning about angle?
Yes, I will tell you angle.
Ma'am, can I tell about line segment? Ma'am? Ma'am, actually you are not audible. Ma'am?
Yes, children. What is line segment? L is
Ma'am,
a line.
a part of a line is called a line segment.
That is this thing only I have written. See the portion of the line or part of the line, right? The portion of the line L between A and B, including the points A and B, is called line segment. Suppose if I will ask you that draw a line segment 5 centimeter. So with the help of C, this is your ruler. Children, see on the screen. This is your ruler, beta, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So you will just measure from here to here, right? Then you will draw the line and line segment. This will be line segment of 5 centimeter. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please note this.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, are we going to do ray?
Yes, yes. Done, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So if I will ask you that line segment has endpoints or not, so what will be your reply? Yes.
Ma'am, yes,
Line
ma'am. They have line
segment has a endpoint. Or how
ma'am,
many
like P,
endpoints? Two endpoints.
ma'am, like P and Q, ma'am. Like P starts from here, Q starts from here, ma'am. Both will have an endpoint.
But here I have not written P and Q, I have written AB.
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Now next is children. And line segment. Line segment is denoted by, you will write here AB, and this is a line segment. So you will write the line over the AB. Right, beta? This is line segment. Fine? AB or
Yes,
BA. And you will read at AB, line segment AB. You will read at line segment AB. Fine?
yes, ma'am.
And it has two endpoints, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the point A and B are its endpoints. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Adve?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear. Now it is clear.
Okay.
Ma'am, what? Oh,
Suppose a line segment AB is given. Suppose a line segment AB is given, and this line segment is 10 centimeter, right? And here is 5 centimeter, and here is also 5 centimeter. And there is a point M in between A and B. So therefore M is the midpoint of AB. What is it? M is the midpoint of AB. Therefore, you will write AM will be equal to M. Right, beta?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
The which divides a line segment in two equal parts, that is called the midpoint. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please note this.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell what is there?
Yes.
Ma'am, a ray is a part of a line which has a starting point goes goes and endless, endlessly in other direction.
In which direction?
In other direction.
Okay. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Advik,
Ma'am,
today you
can you
people are not responding.
not?
Advik,
Yes, ma'am.
done?
Ma'am, the last I'm writing. Ma'am, can you be little bit up?
Okay. So at least you have to ask something, na? You are
One
not
more.
replying a single word.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now see, what do you mean by the ray?
Ma'am,
See,
a ray
our
is
sun.
ma'am, a ray
Chiranjit,
is
wait,
a part
wait,
of
wait.
line.
Chiranjit, let me explain, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. See, beta, our sun emits ray, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's emits sunlight in the form of rays only.
Yes, ma'am.
So, children, if you are going to observe that rays has only one direction. Suppose this ray is coming in this direction. That it will goes in this direction only, right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is a ray only. Got it now? What do you mean by ray now?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
the definition of ray is that the part of a line L, line L that indefinitely extends indefinitely indefinitely in one direction. In one direction. See now. See, this is a line, right? And this is a ray. So it will extend only in this direction, in one direction. Okay. So OA, you can represent this ray by this, by making ray on the head of OA. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Representation of ray. Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And here O is your initial point from where ray is starting. So the point O is called starting point, or you can say initial point. Fine, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And ray has no definite length because you can extend indefinitely, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It has no definite length. And the ray cannot be drawn on the paper, right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what you have written after starting point?
Yes, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what you have written after starting point?
After starting
Starting.
point, initial
Yes, ma'am.
point,
Yes,
initial
ma'am.
point. Okay, okay.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Okay, Advay, explain me what is line.
Ma'am, a line is a
Yes.
a line is a street which is extended by
Ma'am, connected?
Extended by both directions.
Ma'am, connected ones?
Advait, line segment.
Ma'am, line segment is the perfectly drawn line that have endpoints.
Yes. How many endpoints line segment have?
Ma'am, two endpoints.
Okay, good. Chiranjay,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you mean by ray?
Ma'am, a ray is a part of line which has starting point but goes endlessly in other directions.
From where you are seeing Chiranjay?
Ma'am, I know this point, ma'am. I learned this in grade 4.
Okay. Okay, beta. So today we have learned. So suppose if you have given any figure and you have to write what are the parallel lines, what are intersecting line, what are concurrent lines. So what do you mean by concurrent line?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
lines that
Ma'am, many lines
ma'am is
that have only one point are called concurrent lines.
ma'am, intersecting lines are the lines that go straight forward and never ends.
and it is
Ma'am, were you asking of concurrent or intersecting line?
Ma'am, parallel lines are uh, ma'am, can I tell the perpendicular lines?